How to share your link on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Temu application on your device. Make sure it is the latest version on your device. Also make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, the homepage you'll be landed on the home page, so it will look something like this. Now all you have to do is just tap on any of the items over here. So for example, I'm going for this one. After tapping on the item, you'll be able to see the share icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on share icon. Then here you can see the option of copy link. So just tap on copy link. And I'm going to copy and share as well. Now here you can just go and share this link via different social media networks or platforms from Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, your X account, Snapchat, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.